Alright, y'all. So, got another haul for y'all. But before we start, I just really want to say stay in the house unless you really need to leave. Like, right now, distancing and quarantine is very essential. You know, we want this virus to no longer spread, and we want it to be done very as quickly as possible. You know, we don't want this to be a thing a year in the future. So yeah, let's please be responsible and you know, help out each other as much as possible because things are real out there right now. So yeah, I just want to say that. But all right, let's get into what you guys are here for. I bought a few things off Amazon earlier this month, and I just got them in. So we'll start off with this tarot deck I got. As far as prices and where to purchase them, I'll put all that information in the description box. So this is the Santa Muerte Tarot Book of the Dead. I believe the artwork, or yeah, I think it's by Fabio Listrani. But yeah, so as you can see, this tarot deck is based off of Dia de los Muertos imagery. I have another tarot deck. It was my first one. It was Game of Thrones, but I had bought it before season 8 happened, and now that, you know, that is over and done with finally, I never want to see that deck again in my life, you know? Sick of seeing their stupid faces, so that's why I got this. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, it comes, oh, that's pretty. It comes with the like the handbook, tells you what each meaning is, and gives you spreads and things like that, and gives you information about the deck basically. That's really pretty. Look at that. That's the back of the cards. So we'll open this. Careful. We don't need that. So it always starts off with the Fool. You see that? The artwork is amazing. I really love this deck. Can't wait to use it. I'm just a beginner, so I don't necessarily know a lot. I still have to look at the book and yeah, things like that. So, but hopefully with this new deck, I'll be more well versed because I'll be more excited to pick it up. All right, well, I'm not gonna go through each one because but they're gorgeous, honestly. Right, so we'll put that back. The next deck is Caroline Myss, I believe, Archetype cards. Comes with 80 cards in the instruction booklet. So on the back it says, archetypes are ancient universal patterns of behavior that are embedded in what Carl Jung called the collective unconscious. So I believe Caroline Myss has like a website, yeah, and you can go on there and look at more for more information as far as that theory goes. But this is the deck. I know there's a paperback version too, so comes with the booklet as well, guidebook. So this is not like the tarot, from what I read and from what I've seen other tarot readers use this deck for. It's kind of more like insight on personality types and stuff like that. So you can see this one, it's an addict, and the light attribute is basically like the positive of this card, and then the shadow attribute is kind of like the negative connotation of it. So there's different ones. I saw, which is the one? The tarot reader that I saw uses. So the tarot reader that I saw use this and that convinced me to buy it was, her YouTube channel is The Lion's Den. Tarot, I'm so sorry. Tarot Lion's Den, something in that general name. But I will link her YouTube channel. She's really a good tarot reader, and she's one of the like first ones I had gotten into. So let me just, you know what, let's just do a little light reading. Just a little, I guess you can say demo. Oh, these are big, you see? Might be a little hard to shuffle. And like I said, I'm a beginner, so I'm not a very good at shuffling, so please bear with me. So let's see if I can get like what kind of reading I can get for myself as far as personality type. I'll expose myself and I'll let you guys know if it's true or not. Yeah, these are pretty thick. They're not as light or flexible as the tarot decks. They're a little more hefty. I believe it's probably more durable as well. I just shuffle them until I feel they're ready. There's no real technique, I guess, to it. It's just depending on each reader. Whoop. So I'm just gonna do 4, see what we get. Oh, I got 5. I guess I did get 4 because this doesn't count. I think they're just, it's like a, I don't know, So I got Avenger. It was in the upside position, so it's the light attribute. So desire to balance the scales of justice, righteousness on behalf of society or itself. I would say this is true. If you know me, I'm pretty like big on people being treated fairly, I guess you can say, and people getting the justice they deserve, because to be honest, this world is not a just one, so I always rally behind like the underdog. So this is true. And then I also got athlete like attribute, dedication to transcending physical limits, including handicaps, development of personal willpower and strength of spirit. I wouldn't call myself an athlete, but I kind of have this like obsession with being strong. So maybe this is sort of true. Like, yeah. And I got mediator and the light attribute, a gift for negotiating fairness and strategy in personal and professional life, respect for both sides of an argument. I don't think this is me. Respect for both sides of an argument. No, because if you're wrong, I'm not gonna side with you. I don't know about this one. Angel. Oh, this. So the light attribute is helping those in need with no expectation in return. I think angel's a strong word. Maybe because just on the beliefs I grew up and stuff like that. But I mean, if I help somebody, I do not expect something in return. It's just because I want to, you know. So I guess. All right. Well, that's interesting. I'm excited to keep playing around with this. So. And like I said, they're good quality, so I'm excited to further play around with this. Alright. And I bought one more thing. It's not any card related or anything like that. But I got a little baby diffuser for my room on my nightstand, because I have bad seasonal allergies, so this is very imperative for me right now. So, comes with a little booklet, hopefully. Yeah, it comes in English as well as other languages. Ooh. It's just kind of like styrofoam. I imagine this goes in the actual diffuser. Yeah. So, I'm guessing this is where you charge it. And then this is where you turn it on. Oh, turned on. I don't know why. It's probably already charged. Yeah. So you just fill it up to water. Turn it on. And then, oh, we have to take this off, I'm guessing. Yeah. Wait, how does this work? Oh, it's upside down, girl. Madden. This is the cord to charge it. Yeah, so that's where the water goes, and then you lock it. And then, girl, I am confusion. Is this where the water comes out? The little vapors? Yes. 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 Yeah. So this is where the steam comes out, y'all. This is, like I said, it's tiny. It's a little mini one. They said that you can put this in your car. I don't think it's that serious for me. I just need it for like hydration at night, and to like just hydrate my sinuses because allergy season's here, and amongst other things, so need all the help we can get. All right, so that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. It's nothing too special, but you know, I know people are out home bored, so hopefully you can watch this and pass some time. But anyways, if you would please subscribe and like my videos, I'd really appreciate it. And I appreciate the comments and feedback I got from my last video as well. So yeah, I appreciate you guys, and you know, like I said, stay safe, stay inside, and look out for each other. All right, bye.